shredded lettuce. Shredded lettuce, alright? Use that. Sharp cheddar cheese, shredded sharp cheddar cheese. We have the canned chicken. And croutons right here. And the salad dressing. It tastes like Portillo's salad dressing. It might be the same type they use. But that's what I put in my salad. I just wanted to show you guys what I was making. Gotta pull up the scrubs. Scrubs are falling down. Now, I gotta box up that. Box up the chicken. If anybody watching, thank you for watching. That's my ultimate goal. 1,000 videos before this year is up. So that's quite a few they got to do. And last year I don't know how many I did last year, but I want to get up to 1,000 videos. All right. Up there, oh crap, my nose, I tell you, running like a sieve, man. Oh shit. Got wet down there. Hello. Oh, yeah. It's dry. That's good. Now, hold on here. Damn scrubs keep falling down. Alright, I gotta put this, hold on. I tell you, as much as I work on this stove, it's a mess with shredded cheese and stuff, and I had a pizza, a home run in pizza, and cutting that, it's just flakes all over the place, so I gotta clean the stove up. It's pretty messy. Excuse me, hold on here, what's going on here? Oh, hold on. Yeah, we're good. Okay, there we go. That's what I need to do. Wait. There we go. See, it's a mess. I gotta clean it up, man. It's nasty. It is nasty. Gotta clean it up. So, gives me something to do. More video. Like I said, I want to hit 1,000 videos on here